So here's the rolled up piece from the previous video. If you haven't seen that video, then check out the link here first. I want to do something with it, but I'm not exactly sure. I'm just gonna monkey around a little bit and see what comes of it. I want to give a big shout out to Steven Adams for his very generous donation. Thank you very much. So first off, I figure I'll square this and tighten it up some. I really am monkeying around, squaring up this piece and drawing out that process while simultaneously thinking about where this is actually going to go. It turns out to be more rectangular than square, but that'll do. My idea here is to open this up and to give it more dimension. I still haven't the slightest idea what this is going to be. But as the wind continues to blow pretty hard this day, it gives me a very simple idea. At this point, I want to even out the gaps and also want to flatten out the top some. That's pretty much that. At this point, it's a very pleasing pyramid shape. A quick touch with a flat disc to round the edges, and I'm going to leave this piece just like that. I like it just the way it is. When I'm at my desk, I always have a fan blowing on me, especially in the summer here, and papers always want to blow away, so there you go. I find this should work pretty well as a pretty interesting looking paperweight.